Now I was playing with this a little bit the other night, so I'm just going to cheat a little bit here. Inside of Windsurf, let's take a look at some of the preferences. So if you go to, oh no, I won't be able to find it. I'm looking for the rules, memories and rules. So look under global rules, edit global rules. When I was playing with this the other night, I'm not really sure I was actually obeying this, but let's just walk through this together. This is supposed to be a set of rules that Windsurf does with every request. So I'm just trying to guide it along here. You are an expert Python, Flask, and Bootstrap developer. All your code must sanitize user input on the client and server side to prevent SQL injection and other attacks. All fields must have reasonable size limits and max lengths. Field lengths and data types are to be protected on the client and server side. All your front-end code must be responsive, ensuring that it displays and works properly across mobile, tablet, and desktop resolutions. Then I had log all your code changes in a changes.log file, which you can create in the root directory of this project. That was just a little something I threw in there to see was it actually obeying these directives at all. And that didn't seem to work. I'm just going to throw another one in here, something else that these AI code editors don't seem to do very well. So I'm going to say the project is using jQuery, so I want to use jQuery for all the JavaScript, and I don't want plain JavaScript throughout the code. And another thing I want to make sure that there are no inline styles. I want separate style sheets. Okay, now you can see it's trying to help me out with some more directives from the AI. It wants me to do. I want you to use Bootstrap 5.3.0 for the front-end framework. I'm just going to ignore that, but I did add these two, and we'll see where this takes us.